Good morning to all of you. As it is 18th of June 2020, class 11th. Our subject is economics, and today's our topic is calculation of median in discrete series. Previously, what we learned in measures of central tendency, we learned about various components. For example, we learned about how to calculate mean or average. Then we learned about the meaning of median. Now today we want to know about how to calculate median in discrete series. In discrete series are of two types: discrete series and individual series. Today we want to know about this discrete series. And this discrete series are also having two dimensions. That is, either uh, it has two dimensions, either it is having a continuous frequency formula formation, or it is having an ambiguous series. Ambiguous means first high value will be lower in the next version, and lower value will be at the top. So here, in case of this, let us first know the structure of series. The structure of series is that here we have shown size of shoes. It is 5 decimal 5, 6 decimal 5, 7 decimal 5, 8, etc. It means it is having continuous series formation. Continuous series formation, and the frequency of 5 is 10, 5 decimal 5 is 18, 6 is 22, and so on. Then we the next step is this one, cumulative frequency. First, let us know how can we obtain cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is obtained by adding the previous one, first one with the next one. Means here it is 10, 10 stands for, remains 10. When we want to know about the size of 5.5, its cumulative frequency will become automatically 28. We have to add 10 with 18 and so on. This will indicate us that it is summation of frequencies, and summation of frequencies is called a cumulative frequency. Now, what steps we have to take? What steps we have to take in while calculating median in case of discrete series? Okay, the first step is that we have to arrange the series in ascending or descending order. It is in ascending order. Now let us suppose we want to arrange it likewise: 8 7 5 7 6 5 6 5 5 5. It is in a it will then be in a descending order. Here it is an ascending order in a continuous formation, and the first step is then we have to arrange the series either in ascending order or in descending order. The second step, which is to be applied, is then we have to add the frequencies. We have to add the frequencies. First frequency is 10. We have to add 18 to it. It will become 28. The cumulative frequency of 5.5 will be 28. Similarly, cumulative frequency of 6 will be 40. 28, the 20, this 18 should be added with 22 and it will become 40, and so on. So the first step while calculating median in discrete series is that we have to arrange the series in ascending or descending order. Then we have to add frequencies of the series, and the third step is that we have to apply the formula. The formula is m is equal to n plus 1 whole upon 2th item. What stands for m? M stands for median, n stands for number of frequencies, and plus 1 over 12th item stands for the whole item. So while applying this, we can say that six decimal 5 stands in the mid of this series. as per the continuation of this formula, or as per the application of this formula, then median of this series will be 6.5. 6.5, 6 decimal 5, 6 decimal 5 will be the median of this series. Okay, this is how can we calculate median in case of discrete series. In case of discrete. Okay, this much is enough for today.